Hello, I'm going to show you today how to make a 2-color strap. Here's a bag I just finished, and as you can see, it's got a double strap. I call this the Peekaboo strap, and I'm going to show you how to make that. There's 2 ways you can do this. The first one, here's an example of it finished, where you would essentially make 2 straps, one of each color, folding it in half down the middle, and you would have probably double-sided tape to hold that in place, or iron it if it's a cotton. And then your second one you would make the same way, except it's going to be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch smaller, depending on how much you want overlapped on the edges. And then you would just lay those on top of each other like this, matching, and you're going to have the top one is going to be slightly narrower than the bottom, where it peeks out like that. And then you would just sew down that edge. Not my favorite way to do it. It's a little fiddly for me. My method that I like using is raw edge, where I essentially have 2 pieces of leather, cork, something non-fraying, and I have the larger size on the bottom, and then I take a strip down the center, and then this is just brought over across the edge. I don't use a lot of double-sided tape. I prefer the old-fashioned way of pinning and using my own personal 10 clips that you would just get those clipped together like that and sew down the edge. I learned how to sew during a time when there was no double-sided tape. There were no little clips like this. We had to use our fingers to manipulate everything through the machine. That was in sewing factories that I've worked in. About the only tools we had was a pair of snips or a pair of scissors. And there's your finished strap. Just that easy. A lot less materials, no double-sided tape needed. Nice clean finish on both sides for a 2-tone strap. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.